Hey, it's Gina with WTI. Are you ready to join the Finer Things in Life Club? It's as easy as getting one of these luxurious 3-in-1 pillowcases from Ageless Blessings. Not only have I seen how it has helped my skin to stay more supple and nourished at night, but also it's helped to keep the frizz on my hair down to a minimum. This is such a high quality pillowcase. One side is 25 Momme Mulberry silk, and the other side is bamboo and eucalyptus. Nothing is quite like having this fabulously soft silk. And then if I happen to get a little bit overheated, I can just flip it over, and the eucalyptus and bamboo is so wonderfully cooling. Plus, it feels amazing on your skin too. If you've ever had silk bedding in the past, then you know that there is different qualities to different grades of Momme. And this 25 6A grade Momme fabric is the absolute top of the line. This fabric is not flimsy. It's not going to fall apart. In fact, I even wash it in my washing machine in the garment bag that comes with it on gentle and then hang it up to dry. And the fabric has been doing wonderful with that. You can also hand wash it though too if you prefer that. You could give this as a gift. It comes beautifully packaged, or do yourself a favor and just keep it for yourself. You are going to love it as much as I have, and that's my point of view.